Hello traders, hello investors, how are you guys doing today, my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today Apple hit our target at 151, this resistance over here, right? This black line, and right now we are dropping. Why we are dropping? Maybe because we just hit this classic resistance and right now we are losing strength. The broad market is also dropping today. The S&P is dropping minus 40%, 0.40%. The Nasdaq is also dropping minus 0.40%. This is quite rare. Usually the Nasdaq drops more than the S&P, so this is quite curious. However, we see Apple near a resistance level, all right, which is a key point for Apple. Many stocks, they are near their key points. Tesla, we almost hit the 757 today. Amazon, we hit the $117, which is this classic resistance. It is working as a triple top chart pattern today. Nvidia, we broke 160. We did trigger this pivot point, but right now we are dropping again to this red line and we are retesting it as a support level. Google hit its 21 EMA today. We tried to break it, however, we are losing strength. Microsoft did the exact same thing. So many stocks found their resistances and right now they are just losing strength. This is a normal process, a natural correction. However, we gotta keep our eyes open because maybe this could be the trigger of a stronger bearish reversal. This is what we're gonna talk about in this video. Just first remember, my dear friends, click on the like button to support this channel and subscribe if you're new around here because I'm here every single day to keep you guys updated on Apple, Tesla, NIO, Nvidia, and many other stocks. I even do plan on talking about cryptos in this channel, so seriously, subscribe. I think you're gonna like our content. Now, Apple hit our target. We have been talking about the 151 since July 5, to be more specific. I did record a video on July 5 talking about a possible pivot point on Apple. If we break 143, the odds were that we're going to retest 151, and this is it. Now today, this scenario was totally materialized. We nailed our target, so great, but what to expect from here? Let's do our analysis on Apple. If you ask me, Apple is still in a bull trend in the 1 hour chart. We are still doing higher highs, higher lows. There's no reversal structure on Apple. There's no lower high, lower low right now. Apple is doing just fine. I don't see any particular reason to panic. But it is annoying that we hit our resistance and that we are doing a sharp bearish candlestick pattern. I do believe that even if Apple triggers a reversal, a short-term reversal, a correction, I do believe we're going to retest the EMA along with the 143 area, which was previously this resistance on Apple. I think we could drop to this area just to react again. I don't believe this is a real strong bearish sign, a very strong top sign, because the volume is not that high. We still have half an hour to go, but the volume is still relatively low. I'm not that convinced Apple is going to actually drop and lose the 140 and retest again the 130s. I think that's quite unlikely right now at this moment. At least I do agree. We just hit the 21 EMA in the weekly chart and right now we are trying to drop. But still, even considering this scenario, I don't believe a drop would persist for too long with a volume like this, and considering Apple is bullish right now, we are doing higher highs, higher lows in the daily chart. As you guys can see over here, right? We are doing higher highs, higher lows. This is great. So even if Apple retests this support level, I think any bullish signal, any bullish structure would be just an excuse to buy Apple again, because the odds are that we're gonna break the 151 and seek higher resistances to work with in the midterm. All right, so this is it. I still believe we're going to fill this gap at 174. I firmly believe we're going to fill this gap. And I think Apple triggered a very nice reversal structure in the daily chart, which could work as a reversal in the weekly chart as well. But considering we have a possible pullback right now, I think Apple is not a buy at this moment. All right, at the moment, I think Apple is just, if you didn't sell Apple near this resistance, right now it's just a hold to me, but it's not necessarily a sell or a reason to panic sell right now, because I don't see we dropping too much from here. Of course, if we trigger a stronger bearish structure in the 1 hour chart, if we lose the 143 area in the daily chart, maybe Apple is going to drop to lower levels. Yes, this is a real possibility we gotta work with. But right now, at this moment, today, there is no evidence this is going to happen. I only see a possible pullback to a previous support level, and keep in mind a possible pullback to the previous support level down here, and this is it. Okay, then Apple could be a buy again. Right now it's not a buy, but it could be a buy if we do something good near this support level. All right, again, back to the 1 hour chart, we don't see a crystal clear bearish structure, but we are losing the EMA, something we already did in the past a few times. So this is not necessarily to panic, but I agree that since we essentially hit this resistance area, I think it is important for us to keep in mind that a correction is plausible and we should not panic over it. Okay, so to me, Apple is just a hold right now, unless if you are a swing trader, if you want to do some short-term trades, then it was a sell today near this resistance. But right now, I think Apple is doing just fine. It is the only mega cap that is actually bullish. We don't see Tesla, Amazon. Nvidia is right now doing a higher high and it did a higher low. So Nvidia is becoming bullish right now. But Apple and Nvidia, they are the only two mega cap stocks that are actually in a bull trend right now. Apple more than Nvidia. Nvidia broke it today and right now we are correcting, but Apple already broke our pivot point, so it is already bullish since July 7th. So yes, the situation is looking quite good on Apple, even considering a possible pullback. Either way, I will keep you guys updated on Apple, so seriously, remember to subscribe. After all, I'm here every single day, and remember, you probably liked the content. If you are still watching this video, you liked the video, right? So seriously, click on the like button, subscribe in order to keep in touch with my daily analysis. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay safe. Farewell.